Hello you guys, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. You're watching and listening to Nidhi, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my PR haul part 2. Now it was not sent to me today. It is like my, which month is going on right now? 1 second. Quarantine is all over me, like seriously. So now we are in April and all of this PR stuff was received in the month of March, like 6th, 7th March or in the first week of March before the lockdown, and I haven't yet shared it with you all. So I thought why not to just do this chill quarantine video wherein I just share my makeup and you watch it with a sip of coffee or tea. So yeah, that's it. That's all. I don't know what else to say. That's it, I guess. So yeah, that was the reason why I thought to share this haul, because I personally love watching such PR hauls and stuff. It's like very chill and so yeah. This is all the stuff I have in here. This was basically this dabba you see. This is that L'Oreal wala dabba which I had got. So I'm basically just reusing this because it is made up of cardboard and I can make good storage out of it. So I'm having this dabba, and then I'm having this box from Blue Heaven. So that's all the PR that I have. I don't have really much, but yeah, I have this all. If you do like this video, then hit that thumbs up button, and I'm having a very cool giveaway going on my channel with Sugar Cosmetics, wherein you can win sugar goodies. So I will leave the giveaway link in the video description box. Click the video title and you'll find the giveaway video link. Do participate, and yes, with that being said, now let's begin. Starting off with this dabba. They were kind enough to send me all the shades of their foundation in the Infallible one, and I have reviewed these with all the shades swatches on bare skin. I would leave those video links as well in the description, so do check the description box, okay? So yeah, I first got all of the foundation shades. Sadly, none of them match me. I am probably the shade 109, which isn't launched in India. I have some stuff from Puder Cosmetics, so they did send me 3 of their mini capsule matte lippies. I absolutely love these. I have swatches of these and reviewed them. Like, they do contain 4.5 ml of product, like such good quantity in the size, which is so small and trial friendly, and absolutely love them. They are just like your NYX SMLCs, so long lasting. I really love these. So these 3 were there in that kit. Then they sent me their eyebrow product. It is called the Powder Eyebrow Pencil. This is how it looks. So they're telling over here in the back that you're just supposed to cut it off and then use it. To be true, I tried using it today, but I was very disappointed because it is not pigmented. It is very scratchy. I don't know why. I also removed the tip of it, but it is very scratchy, and on the eyebrow dude it pains, so I would not recommend this one. They also sent another brow product which is called as their Eyebrow Art Long Lasting Makeup. So this is how it looks. Very nude kind of packaging. You get a spoolie on one end and a very fine micro brow thing kind of thing. The sad part of this is that it can only be removed outwards and it does not get retracted back into the packaging. So it is like if you've removed a lot of product, you have to use it, and with eyebrow products, you do not end up using a lot. So I did tell them that where they could improvise on their packaging, and they love constructive criticism on their products, and they said that they would look into it and improve the packaging. So this was the brow product. Ta-da! This is the Feather Kingdom eyeshadow palette. This is such a good eyeshadow palette. Comes with a good mirror, and these are the shades. So this does have really beautiful shades, some blues, greens, denim shades, pressed glitters, which I'm having in my inner corner right now. Some bright pop of shades over here. I think these are pressed pigments because these did stain my eyelids, but they are very pigmented, soft, buttery. Look at that, I barely touched it. Now this eyeshadow palette came shattered, like 1, 2, 3 shades were broken, but I fixed it, so not a problem. Look at that. Whoa, the palette is Boom, you guys, look at it. And then I also got some stuff from Sugar Cosmetics. I'll quickly show what I got. So firstly was the primer. This is their Most Eligible Smoothing Primer. Now I already own one which I'm using, so I did not open this one. So why to open all at once? So I would just finish using this and then I would move on to the new one, so I've just kept it like that. I got their I Want You So double matte eyeliner in the shade Black Swan. Now again, this product is owned by me already, so I've kept it sealed and packed so that, you know, it doesn't dry up. I don't know whether their liner does dry, but I really like the mateness and formula of their liner, so I've kept this one as it is. The third product I received was the Sugar Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade Blackout. Now many of you guys you know, commented in that Sugar giveaway that you loved their I Want You So, I don't know which kajal was it, I don't know. I've read so many comments about that kajal, so I'm really intrigued to try out that as well. But I have this, even this, you guys, it is so creamy, like just with the touch it just glides. It's so black, so creamy. I do really like this kajal. Then the next product I got is the Powder Play Compact. This product is so hyped, you guys. I've seen so many people and bloggers liking it, and this is how it looks. It has sugar written all over it. It is basically a translucent powder, and you also get this cute puff. Oh my god, I'm a hoarder for black things, you guys. I loved the packaging, sturdy with a mirror, completely travel friendly. Next product I got, I already had, so I got their jelly highlighter in the shade Gold Gold, and I already have this. I've opened this up, so I kept this one, you know, as it is. Why to open it up and let the product dry? So I don't think I'll be able to finish this highlighter and then move on to this, because basically that is very hard to do in case of highlighters especially, but I have it. Maybe I'll just toss it to someone or give it out in a giveaway or something like that. You know, things like this keep happening on my channel, so look out. Then I got two of their face forward sticks. First is a blush stick in the shade Coral Climax 01. Now I'm really eyeing their Plum Marvel, I don't know what the name is, but it is shade number 3 of their blush sticks. I really love their face forward range. The primer is good, the contour is so good. I'm wearing it right now. The blushes are so good, the primer is good too. So I'm happy that I have another shade in this one, a beautiful coral shade. And you know, these blend really easily even with the warmth of your fingers, and just give your skin that beautiful flush of color. Then I have their contour stick in the shade 01 Fawn First, which I am wearing right now. For my skin tone, NC42, this is like a subtle contour. If you want a proper bronzed contour, I would suggest you the shade number 02, which I'm having Espresso Edge, I guess. So this was the contour. And lastly, I'm having 3 of their Matte Attack Transfer Proof lipsticks. I did review them, and one shade which is my ultimate favorite out of this is a brown shade which is called Tan Helen. Last product from Sugar was the eyeshadow palette, the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette. This is in the variant Flawless, and this is how it looks. Very beautiful palette. It is also very pigmented, and the shadows stay on for a good amount of time without creasing. And I love this pink shade from this one, dude. Wow, love this. Moving on to this big dabba from Blue Heaven. Firstly, I have their foundations. This is their high coverage foundation, and you also get a beauty blender free with this. So a complete full face of makeup video using all the Blue Heaven products would come out soon, maybe after the lockdown. Got all the shades of their concealer, which is known as the Photo Perfect Concealer, and that is how it looks. Again, they just have 4 shades. Then I have their Biphase Micellar Water. It's a makeup remover and it is a good product. Doesn't really smell like typical Blue Heaven products, and that was really a good thing because, you know, makeup removers, if they have a lot of fragrance, it just kind of irritates sensitive skin. So I like this remover. Then I got their a makeup fixer, which is the Blue Heaven makeup fixer. So that is how the packaging looked. This is not a new product, I already owned this, and the one which I had was completely over, not because I used it but because the bottle was leaking, so it just evaporated. So that was the fixer. Then I have my favorite Blue Heaven primer. Now if you guys have been knowing me, you know how much I use mine. Now they've changed the packaging, they've made it like clear. Initially they had this like purple blue kind of packaging, so a very good basic and good pore filling kind of primer. So if you're looking for some budget friendly good primer, then definitely give this one a shot. Then I have their soft kajals, a blue one and a green one. I use these so much during my junior college period, like so much. I have 3 of the liquid liners, a blue, a brown and a green. Now this is not a typical green shade, like it's not olive green, it's this kind of pista green color. Even this brown, you guys, it is not like chocolate brown, the kind of brown I like in my liners. This is a kind of caramel brown or potty brown, but that's the shade. Like I do not like this kind of terracotta browns on me, I don't know. So that was that. And the third one is a classic blue liner. This is good, like this is a good electric blue shade. So yeah, that's it. Now I love their liners. I use their black liner so much when I was like again in junior college. It's all that zamane ka makeup. So those were the 3 liners. Have something very interesting. No, these are not edible. So these are called as their candy lip colors, and how cute the packaging is. But these are good matte lip colors. I have 3 shades in here, and I guess they're very cheap, like 125 rupees or something. Yeah. And I also had their non-transfer lipsticks in here, 2 more shades, caramel cult and dark chocolate. So dark chocolate is a repetitive because I already own one, and this is an orange shade which is known as romantic rose. So that's the shade. It's very orange, not the kind of orange I would wear. Firstly, I don't know whether I would even wear some colored lipstick. I'm such a nude hoe. Anyways, nude lipstick hoe. Next, I think it's the second last product I'm having in here. It is the Matte Effect Compact Powder from Blue Heaven. And right from the packaging, I can smell the fragrance. It has a nice big mirror, and your compact powder smells a lot like jasmines or rose, I don't know, it smells something floral. So that was the compact powder. It also has SPF. Yeah, it is with sunscreen. Lastly, I have this is the Blue Heaven Signature Vibrant Blush Palette. Look at the packaging. Whoa, oh ho. Like Blue Heaven has stepped up their game. Inside it is again the same kind of old kind of packaging, but the outer packaging was really good. So this is how the blush quad looks like. Struggles when your nails are shut. So these are the 4 shades. Personally, I'm driven more towards the last 2, or maybe the last and the second one. Yeah, again these are pigmented, and I can right away smell the fragrance in it. So you know, Blue Heaven products always has some or the other fragrance. Don't mind my swatch skills though. Yeah, if you want any particular review, do let me know in the comments. I would love to do it. And yeah, that's it. That was all that I received in my PR. I'm very thankful and grateful to all the brands as well as you guys for making my dreams come true. And I hope I helped you kill some more time in this quarantine. How are you doing? I hope you all are well. I hope you all are washing your hands, though it is ripping off all the moisture, but still wash your hands. With that being said, I'll meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending. Don't forget to participate in the giveaway. I will have the link in the description box, and